fucking shit, dude. Look at this shit here, ladies and gentlemen. I ain't trying to get shocked up in this motherfucker. Oh, neighbor's house is fucked up. Good thing we kind of live on the hill, so our shit didn't get it, but, I mean, fucking car did. Son of a goddamn bitch. People over there that live on the hill, they alright. But that house right there, there's another house on the side. Shit, that house over there, they kind of on the hill, so I think they should be alright. It's fucking raining, so I ain't trying to step out of there, but you get the fucking picture.